Hey, what's going on, my friends? Welcome back to another Sprinkler Supply Store product overview. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and this is a little bit awkward because I've got a big Rainbird valve box here, and this video is actually not about this valve box, but this valve box is important because the product we're gonna talk about is specifically designed for these Rainbird valve boxes and to keep them locked, not by key, but with a bolt, which helps prevent vandalism in the boxes. So what we are going to cover today is this bolt, Rainbird bolt lock system. And again, like I said, this is really helpful for commercial properties, cities, parks, ball fields, where, you know, you get the kids that are just up to no good and they want to reach in the valve box and play around. You can put this bolt on here so that you will need a tool in order to open the valve box. So let's go ahead. I've already cut this bag open. I want to show you what's in here, and then I'm going to change the camera angle. And you know, it's awkward right here, but I think that we'll be able to look and see exactly how to install this. There's really two parts, well, three if you want to count the washer. The first part is, I don't know if it has a name, let's just call it the clip. This is the bolt clip that slides onto the box portion, and it stays on the box portion, the box meaning the black bottom assembly. And then once the clip is on the box, we will thread this bolt. I don't actually know come on, hello, focus on me, focus, there we go, come on. I don't know the bolt size, but you can open this with any standard socket set. So let's go ahead and try this. I'm gonna flip the camera over here, and I will say that once you put this clip on, it is next to impossible to take it off. So I did put it on just to try this out, and then it is very difficult to take this part off. It's been designed to basically stay on for good. Now you can always open the box, but if you wanted to remove this clip, man, it is like extremely difficult. So let's flip the camera over here and see if this is actually gonna work. Okay, let's take the lid off. And again, the bolt will end up coming through here when we're finished. This bolt right here. So let's take the cover off. Good. We can see the clip right there, the plastic side of the valve box. So what we're gonna do, again, we're gonna take this clip that I just showed you, and it couldn't be any easier. We're simply going to slide it, and you know what? Let me. There's basically a almost like a spring pressure on this. So once you slide it in, it truly does lock into position. So we're gonna push it on here, and now it is locked into position. And then we're gonna put the cover back on. So this clip just lives here for the life of the system, the life of the valve box. I'm gonna take the cover, and we're gonna put the cover back on like that. And then we're gonna take the bolt that I just showed you. Man, it's funny how the color of this lens changes my skin color because there's so much green in there. And we're simply going to line it up and screw it down. Let's see if I can get it all the way down here with my fingers. I'll be able to get it decently far. Otherwise, you will need either a socket set or a single socket screwdriver style. Well, you know what? We can get this reasonably in. You know, it probably doesn't have to be super tight, because at this point, I mean, this box is locked. No one is going to be able to get into the box now that it's bolted down. And just so you can see how it sits nice and flush, I will attempt to lift the box up. Yep, there we go. You can see how it sits there nicely. And again, it's not meant to be locking with a key. It's just meant to prevent, you know, kids and such that are up to no good that want to cause trouble in the neighborhood, so to speak. And really couldn't be any easier. This is the part number VBLOCKH. And you can pick it up from Rainbird. And if you have any other questions about Rainbird valve boxes or about anything on your irrigation system, we are happy to help you. You can reach us by phone, chat, and email. And until the next Sprinkler Supply Store product overview, happy sprinkling, my friends. We will talk to you then.